Hi everyone, I am your friend Mr. Free Coins. You are welcome at the world of crypto coins. Today we will solve the daily cipher by Morse code to get 1 million of Hamster Kombat coins. The code of this day is burn, so we solve this code now. The code of letter B is long tap, short tap, and short tap. The code of letter U is short tap, and long tap. The code of letter R is short tap, long tap, and short tap. The code of letter N is long tap and short tap. Congratulations! Now you have 1 million coins of Hamster Kombat. Good job! Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to know all new about Hamster Kombat coins. Good luck!